Hey everyone, is your audio out of sync after exporting from CapCut? Yeah, super frustrating when the video looks fine, but the sound is delayed. In this quick guide, I'll show you the best ways to fix CapCut audio desync after export. First, check your project frame rate. So, mismatched frame rates between your footage and export settings can cause sync problems. Open project settings and make sure the frame rate matches your original clip. Next, confirm your source video uses a constant frame rate. Variable frame rate files, often cause audio drift after export. If needed, convert the clip to constant frame rate before importing. Sometimes cached data causes export glitches. Go to Settings, find the cache option, and clear it. Then restart CapCut and export again. Now export using standard settings. Keep the resolution and frame rate the same as your timeline and avoid unnecessary compression. This helps maintain proper audio timing. If the issue is still there, try detaching the audio and nudging it slightly to resync. Sometimes a tiny manual adjustment fixes the final export. And that's it. Your CapCut audio should now stay perfectly in sync after export. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick editing fixes. Hey everyone.